Hi, everybody. Welcome back to Blockchain and Crypto today with your host, Kyle Ellicott. It is June 3rd, Thursday, June 3rd. Bitcoin Miami 2021 is in full force. Sounds like an outstanding opportunity this week if you're in the area to meet a ton of great people in the industry and also hear some outstanding talks. We've got some great news from the mayor and also around the city as well. We talked about Borderless Capital, which is a supporter of the Algorand ecosystem, who announced a fund, a $25 million venture fund solely focused on startups that are building in the city of Miami, whether that be around digital payments or around blockchain as a whole. That fund is dedicated for the city, in addition to an accelerator for the city as well. So definitely check out and stay tuned for more coming from the conference here today and tomorrow as well. But let's jump into what else has been happening in the industry as well. We had some big announcements this morning and last night. Starting us off, Google. Google has announced plans to lift a ban on advertising crypto wallets and exchanges that has been in place for almost 3 years, dating back to about 2018. This ban initially started around initial coin offerings, or ICOs, which will also stay in effect for now. Google said in a recent statement that it was making the change to better match existing FinCEN regulations and requirements. Next up, Paxful. Paxful has announced that they will be launching an e-commerce tool to let businesses receive Bitcoin payments. The tool lets customers pay merchants through over 400 payment methods that are converted into Bitcoin and sent to the merchant's digital wallet. While Bitcoin is the primary cryptocurrency for Paxful Pay, the peer-to-peer platform, which has about 6 million users and growing, by the way, plans on adding Tether and other stable coins in the near future, as well as BTC to local currency conversions in the future as well. One other thing that we did have similar yesterday happened as well. We had the City coin released. I'll share more information on Twitter around that. We had a City coin that was launched for the city of Miami. So check me out on Twitter here in just a little bit and I'll share more on that. Next up, continuing yesterday's segment of new fund alerts. We had 4 new venture funds yesterday with a 5th that came in at the last minute. We now have 3 new funds today. Starting us off, Cryptoology Asset Group, a Malta-based investment outfit co-founded by Mike Novogratz of Digital Galaxy and Christian Angermeyer, is set to offer support for crypto VC funds. The European holding company plans to float about $100 million of investment capital into first-time crypto funds. And the investment outfit will additionally help adopt an entrepreneurial approach in helping to build these crypto funds, their portfolios, along with working with emerging managers and GPs, general partners as well. Very exciting for the industry if you are out there raising a fund right now. Next up, Crypto Briefing's founders and some of the early team members have joined forces yet again, instead of media, this time in the venture space, to launch Sanctor Capital, a new venture fund providing capital and mentors to crypto entrepreneurs, focused on a lot of the big themes around Web 3.0. And next up, the Solana Foundation has partnered with South Korean blockchain accelerator ROK Capital to launch a $20 million fund. It aims to develop the Solana ecosystem furthermore by enhancing various projects that include those related to decentralized finance, non-fungible tokens, and Web 3.0. Pause. Solana, this is now 20 million on top of the $100 million. It saw an investment from 5 different venture funds and follows an additional $50 million it saw of investment capital focused on the ecosystem as well. So to recap, in the last 2 to 3 months, the Solana ecosystem has seen almost $200 million of venture capital going into supporting the ecosystem as a whole. Something to stay tuned to. And lastly, congratulations to the new accelerator for multi-chain DeFi or decentralized finance, Impossible Finance is what it will be called. Also to Potem Networks, a decentralized application or DApp, which is seeking to connect with Facebook's DME, and to public blockchains like Ethereum as well. Also to middleware privacy provider Automata and crypto credit data company Credmark on all of their recent fundraising announcements as well. Everybody, that's the quick rundown of what's happening today in blockchain and crypto. Make sure again to follow me on Twitter at Kyle Ellicott to hear more on what's happening today in the industries, and also to get context on some of the latest breaking headlines as well, and much, much more. With that, everyone have an absolutely wonderful day. Check us out on LATOKEN.com and VCTV here in just a few minutes as we have investors from around the world come together with me to break all of this down around the industry. Also, June 10th, follow me on Twitter. Make sure to follow me for June 10th, a special announcement breaking down the entire industry of decentralized applications, NFTs, and much, much more. Everyone have a wonderful day. I'm Kyle Ellicott. Take care. Bye.